looks like the subbase has completely failed here.
Yeah, the tape shows it's almost 2 meters wide and 40 centimeters deep.
Keep sweeping that debris away.
Yeah.
Got the garbage, get that water spraying, washing it down. I'll scrub the edges.
The road is much clearer now. Good work, team. Let's bring in the machinery. All right, let's get those patches removed.
Keep going a little bit further. Looks good. Start backing up. Keep it even. Don't miss that section. Yeah. Copy that. Looks good. Keep it steady there. That's flattening it out. Good. Just the way we want it.
Keep it steady, watching the temperature. Right on it.
Okay, nice and smooth. Keep it coming.